This is,
Thank
I
you.
love you. Although we had so many fights, just give us the opportunity to understand more each other. Thank you for everything. You've been so thoughtful. You've been so sweet to this to our family. And that's all. I love you.
Marky. Love you more. Makoy. Makoy. Go. Yung kanta doon.
Well, thankful ko nga nagkaila to din.
Yan! Okay na ka ba?
Thank you sa nga po. Pero kasama na ako labi na. Kasi nga sa pagkuha naman sa mga manghod, bitaw labi na magsapot niya. Then, well, what I like about her is that, the smile that she makes, kanang bro bitaw green, ngayon kayo na, katawa siya ka, utalaw.
Unsaon.
I hope that you will keep smiling and then I would be the one at your back cheering for you para sa imong mga success nga nakuha karon and then sa mga maabot pa. Thank you. I love you.
Thank you. Love you more. High school years representative. Go, Martin. Go.
Si Digby ba? Huwag yung istorya. Manak.
Si Atchang ay wala.
Happy birthday. Thank you for the invitation.
Thank you for being the representative.
For those decade of friendship, agonizing years.
Grabe, wag ka. Agonizing years. Copying years.
The best things in life. We come from long ways, you have great family and friends.
Thank you, Mactoy.